Now let's start with the our sliding rollers and accessories supplier, Polismar. It's from Portugal. Polismar is our supplier of rollers. Here we can see the dismantle roller. This is called the wheels, and this is the case, and this is that case in which this whole arrangement will fixed. Now here we can see the roller. It's a double roller because two wheels are here, so it's called as a double roller. When the single wheel is there, so we can say that is the single roller. So different types of materials and the specifications it's here. Here you can see the single roller. In that only one wheel is there, and it's applicable in the sliding windows especially, and for the doors we are using the double rollers. So now let's see how we decide the roller for the specific sliding door and window. This is our roller code. It depends upon the profile, which kind of profiles we are using for the sliding. It shows that this is the profile digits, and this is the material for the wheel, and this showing the type of roller, and this is it showing the load of load bearing capacity of the roller, and it's showing the it is the single or it is the double. Point 1 means is it started from the 0. There is point 0, point 1, point 2, point 3 and point 4, like that it will come. Point 0 means it's a tempered. Point 1 means it's a stainless steel roller. Point 2 means needle roller. Point 3 means eco rollers. Point 4 means precisions roller. And this is the material for the roller. DT is the Daytona model. SD is the Super Daytona model. JB means the jumbo model. BX means BXT model. OX is the oscillating model. SF is single fixed model. DF is double fixed model. TR for the traditional model. So here is the type of rollers, and this GB and the BX is the bigger size roller which we are using for the doors especially. Single fix and the double fix means the roller which is one wheel will be fixed or adjustable, and DF is the double wheels is the adjustable or the fixed. Like that we are differentiate the rollers. This is the load carrying capacity of the roller. First you have to find out the how much load came from the sash, then as per that you need to decide the roller kgs, and this is the showing that it's a single roller or the double roller. Daytona model is coming in the adjustable single or the double, and Super Daytona also coming in the single or double. Jumbo is coming in the adjustable, double, painted, and JB ZN means Jumbo adjustable double zinc coated. Zinc ZN stand for the zinc. BX is the for BX the adjustable single. OX is the oscillate double oscillating. SF is the single fix, and DF is the double fix, and TR is the traditional adjustable double. So like that we are giving the roller code. So now let's see some rollers. This is the jumbo roller. So you can see here is so many arrangement to fix the rollers. Here we can see this is the stainless steel roller. This is the Jamac material case. This is another Zac material case in which this small case will be inserted and it's screwed by this screws. And this is also another material from the Zamac. And this case will be inserted in this box and it will be fixed through these screws. The jumbo roller for the big doors and windows, heavy windows and doors, like 150 kg, 300 kg. Now we see the traditional rollers. It's for the not too much high or not too much less in weight. So around 80 to 100 we are take from this traditional. This is the one wheel adjustable roller. You can adjust this roll according to your preference. This is the two wheel fixed. Here the position of the wheels are the fixed. So it's applicable for the special requirements in the sliding doors and windows. When you want the roller at the specific position, then you can use the fix. Here you can see the single roller. One wheel roller is this fixed in this case and it's usable for the small windows like 10 kgs or 30 kgs weight, up to 10 to 30 kgs weight. So now let's see the others hardware from the Polismart. This is the wool pile and we are selecting this wool piles according to the parameters of the sliding doors and windows, and it's guide the shutter of the sliding rails. Window it's using in the doors and bottom of the door and windows, and it's showcase using in the showcase also. So it's restrict the dust and seal from the outside outside and exterior environment. How we will apply the wool pile in the profiles we can see now. So here is the position of the wool pile. Within the track you can apply this wool pile. Now let's see the others supplying elements. This is the anti-dust seal. Anti-dust seal we are using between the two tracks, and it's as per the name we can recognize this. This is the material which save the track from the dust and the others material from the environment, that this track can move easily above the rail. No dust particle will be putting some restriction on the track. This is the drainage cover. It's specially designed for the sliding series. It's cover the drainage hole. By plug out this drainage, you can remove water from what is collect here, and this is for the make aesthetic view clearly, that you can hide your hole once you require to hide it, and you can remove it, and after that the water will be drainage from this area, and it is using in the sliding only. This is the shock absorber. Shock absorber we are using at the corner side of the sliding windows and door. Once you close the doors, it will stuck with the frame, and it will make the sliding accessories and rest to it's protect the sash from the reversible impact from the frame at the closing time.